Hi everyone, welcome back to another weekly vlog. It's Monday and it's also my baby brother's 6th birthday today. So I've got his present all wrapped up over here ready to take, and I'm gonna go and head over to my mum's house to see him along with the rest of my family. And yes, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to vlog much because obviously it's my family and it's like a nice family occasion for his birthday, but I'll see if I can get a few clips here and there. And that's pretty much gonna be my whole Monday, to just spending time with family for a special occasion.
Happy birthday, dear Maxwell. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Wow!
So it's now Tuesday afternoon. This morning I was doing makeup for Alice, and I didn't think Alice probably would have been okay with me filming and vlogging there because you've seen her in my vlogs before. She's my friend, and I was just like practicing some makeup on her. It wasn't necessarily like a proper like client thing, so never mind, too late now. Maybe next time she'll let me do like maybe a little time lapse of me doing her makeup or something. But yeah, this morning I was doing Alice's makeup. If you want to see photos, as always, I will leave links to my professional Instagram and Facebook page down below in the description. And yeah, that's been my morning. Came home, had a tuna sandwich, and it's about 2:15 now, so I think I'm gonna go for a little walk with the dogs and then come back, play a little bit of Nintendo Switch. I'm obsessed with the Legend of Zelda game. I think it's called Breath of the something. I can't remember what it's called. The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. So I'm playing that at the moment and I'm obsessed with it. I'm really enjoying the story and it's really interesting. So yeah, I might play a little bit of that before me and Eric do something tonight. I think we might be heading to Ikea. I'm not sure yet. It's much later in the day now. Eric is here.
Hello.
And we've left it far too late to go to Ikea, so that's being put off until tomorrow. We're gonna go tomorrow instead, and then maybe it's the cinema afterwards if we have enough time. So instead, well, it's nearly 9 o'clock now. We've just got tea in the oven, we've got a frozen pizza in, and we're gonna watch some telly, catch up to some telly. We've booked the cinema ready to see Captain Marvel on Sunday, finally, that we finally get to see it. I hope it's good. No spoilers in the comments, please. I'm really excited for it. And yeah, that's gonna be our night. Daisy's all excited, aren't you, Daisy? Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. Hi everyone, it's now Wednesday. I've spent the majority of the day feeling a little bit poorly, so I've been chilling out. And it's now getting towards the evening. Me and Eric are definitely going to go to Ikea today since we didn't get around to going yesterday. We're going to grab some meatballs and mash from the cafe, and then I think we're heading to the cinema afterwards. But before he gets here, I'm waiting for some tickets to go live that I'm ordering for me and our friends, and it's for the Get Down Roller Disco Newcastle, which is like a roller skate disco party thing, and I've never been to anything like this before, so I'm quite excited for it. And the tickets go live at 6 PM and it's about 5:30 now, so I'm just waiting for them to go live because I'm scared that it's going to be like Bongo's Bingo where the tickets are sold out in like 10 minutes. So and it is only like for one night only, so I'm really nervous that I might not be able to get the tickets, but hopefully I do anyway. Yeah, it's this thing here, the Get Down Newcastle Roller Disco on the 11th of May, and yeah, really excited. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, look how bad my spots are. I've got such a bad hormonal breakout here. Oh god. Never mind. So, I didn't finish vlogging yesterday because we didn't make it to the cinema. We went to Ikea and then my stomach got really, really bad and I was stuck in the disabled toilet for a while because I just couldn't stop going to the toilet and I was in a lot of pain. So we ended up just coming back and I got straight into bed and we watched some Try Guys, and yeah, that was the extent of the night last night. I managed to pick up a new mirror, which I'm going to replace this one with. It's taller and a bit wider, but I didn't want it to be too big either, so yeah, picked this up in Ikea. It was only £25. And yeah, see, this one's just so small, like it's quite often really hard for me to get a good selfie in it. So yeah, also this comes with like hinges, so if you want to pull it out to get better light from the window, you can do that, which I thought was pretty cool. So I don't think I'm going to try and put this up myself. I don't think I'll be able to get it straight, but I have got a lot of mess down here, and this is all clean washing from downstairs that I need to put away, so I'm going to get that done. And then later this evening I have a client, and tomorrow I'm working as well, but I will be able to vlog on the evening. Doesn't want to focus on me. And yeah, that's going to be my next couple of days, and my floor is so squeaky, it's unreal. So that is my new mirror up. It's a lot taller than my other one, much bigger, and I haven't put it on the hinges. I've kind of just hung it on the nails that were already there for now, and then Eric can come along one day and put it on the hinges for me because I don't know how to do that. But yeah, it's much nicer. I much prefer that. I'm also gonna get rid of this mirror as well. I think I'm gonna put a couple of like shelves up to put my makeup on so that I don't have to like have it all just kind of all over this drawer. I thought that would be nice. All done, new mirror up, old mirrors ready to sell. Good morning everyone, it is Friday. Nearly forgot what day it was there. I have a client today at 12 o'clock and I'll be there for a few hours, so I will have to vlog after that. And this weekly vlog has probably been so shit to watch because I haven't really been achieving much, and then when I have had free time to vlog I end up feeling quite poorly. So I am really sorry about that, but yeah, I've got a bride trial today, and I think later on this evening Eric and I will be prepping for my wedding fair tomorrow that I'm doing over at the Lynn Skills Centre in North Shields. So yeah, I'll be trying to vlog a little bit of the wedding fair tomorrow, and then on Sunday we are seeing Captain Marvel, and I haven't seen it yet, so I'm quite excited. Look how chilled you guys are. I'm gonna have to go downstairs in a minute. Hi everyone. Oh my god, my mouth is so dry because I've just been talking non-stop for like 2 hours. But I finished with my client. I'm now driving home. Well, I think I might nip to Asda first. My battery's dying and I can't change it because I'm in the car. I'll speak to you soon. Okay, so I'm finally home. I need to sit down. Ugh. It took me half an hour to do what is usually a 10-minute drive. Basically there was really bad traffic and I had to message Eric when I got home. I was like, what is going on with the traffic? Because I knew he was out at around the same time going for his haircut. And apparently there was a 4-car pile-up on the motorway, and that's why the traffic was so bad. And I don't think I've ever known a car crash to be that bad near where I live, so I hope everyone's okay. And yeah, that's quite scary that it happened literally as I was on my way home because the traffic was terrible. I had really bad hailstone on the way home. Oh, ignore Daisy, she got new toys and she keeps playing with them. Yeah, there was really bad hailstone and I tried to get a clip because I was standstill in traffic anyway, so I'll put it in here. But yeah, there was a massive downpour and you wouldn't believe it now because it's just gone so sunny outside. Like, you wouldn't believe that it was just hailstone and like half an hour ago. It was so bad. And yeah, so I came home, Amazon delivery guy came at the same time, and the dogs have some new toys. I've brought 3 of them upstairs and the rest are all downstairs in the living room. Do you like that toy? That one's a giraffe, isn't it? Bring the giraffe here. Yeah, you like that one, don't you? You've already ripped one of its ears off. The poor giraffe. Where's the carrot and the ball gone? Where have they gone? Not that one, the other ones. Have you put them like, have you like wrapped them inside the blankets? Yes. Where's the other one? Oh yes, you have. It fell inside the bag. There we go. Windy.
Blown away. Nice too.
everyone, it's now Saturday. I'm in the car with Eric.
Woo!
And as you can see, I've got my wedding fair stuff in the background because we're off to the Lynn School Centre for their wedding open day slash fair that they have going on, and it was snowing this morning and now it's chucking it down, so I have a feeling they're not going to do any outdoor exhibitions like they had planned, but it should still be a good day and hopefully plenty of people turn up even though it's raining. I feel like more people are likely to miss it now that it's raining.
Yeah.
Like people will stay at home. So, but yeah, I only paid, what?
We should have stayed at home.
I know, but I already paid for it and yeah, I feel obliged to go. But yeah, we only paid £24 for it, so if not many people turn up, it's not like I'm losing out massively. But fingers crossed it goes well. So it's now much later in the day. I've been picking up my chin. Eric is out with his friends for a meal or something, some kind of Thai thing, I'm not sure to be honest. And I've realised that because I'm out tomorrow evening, which is when I would usually edit my vlog, that I'm not going to have time to do it tomorrow. So since I'm free now, I was going to play games, but I'm being responsible and I'm gonna start editing my vlog now and get as much done as possible so that tomorrow night time after we've been to see Captain Marvel I don't have as much to do. So I'm gonna get that done now, and then if I get enough time later before Eric is finished with his friends, I'll play some Zelda. By the way, the wedding fair, I think it went well. I didn't get any bookings, but I did give out 4 quotes. And it was quite quiet. It started raining, so we think that because it was raining people obviously didn't really want to head out. So if it wasn't raining it probably would have been better, but the Lynn School Centre has asked me to be one of their preferred suppliers for makeup, so that's great. I gave them some leaflets and they're going to pop me in their like booklet thing for their wedding information, and yeah, so that's good. I'm on another preferred supplier list. That's 2 wedding venues in this area that I'm now a preferred makeup artist for, so I'm really happy and pleased with that. I would consider that a win for today. Anyway, let's get editing. Hi everyone, so it's now Sunday. Eric just got right into shot there for some reason. We are on our way to the Metro Centre to meet some friends for a meal, and then we're going to go and see Captain Marvel at the Odeon Cinema, which we're excited for. What?
Have you, don't look at my hair, have you seen any spoilers? Do you know any spoilers?
Me?
Stay away, yeah.
Me? No. No, I've
media,
stayed away. Why do you?
2 minor ones.
Well, don't say them.
2 minor ones, but like that's good for a Marvel film because usually I know like who the bad guy is, what's gonna happen and all this stuff because people are stupid on Twitter. If you're one of those people, bye. So you got none? None?
No, I don't know any spoilers, but I'm really excited to see
That
it.
Marvel?
What?
She's Carol Danvers. Do you know that?
She's what? I don't even know what you just said. I was like, what?
Eh?
What? Are you ready to leave?
No, I'm doing hair.
Oh, he's still got his hair to do. And I'm home now. I didn't vlog that much because we were just enjoying time with friends and having a laugh. But Captain Marvel was amazing. I know most people have already seen it by now, but if you haven't, please do. It was honestly incredible. I loved it so much and I really want to see it again. It was that good. Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog here and get this edited and up ready for tomorrow. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like down below, subscribe to see more videos like this, and I will see you in next week's weekly vlog. Bye!